Today's exercise is alternating dumbbell hammer curls. This exercise works the front of your upper arms and the muscles along your forearms. These are the muscles you use when you carry bags, hold onto objects, or lift something with a neutral grip. Strengthening them helps with everyday lifting and improves grip strength. Stand tall with your feet about hip width apart and soften your knees so they're not locked. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with your arms resting by your sides. Turn your palms so they face your thighs, like you're holding the handles of a hammer. Gently tuck your elbows in close to your ribs. Relax your shoulders and keep your chest open. Take a slow breath in. As you breathe out, bend your elbows and lift the dumbbells up toward your shoulders, keeping your palms facing inward the whole time. Move slowly and with control, lifting over a smooth 4 count. Pause briefly at the top, then lower the weights back down just as slowly. Your upper arms stay still and close to your sides, and only your forearms are moving. Keep breathing and repeat at a pace that feels steady and comfortable. You should feel the front of your arms working, along with a gentle effort in your forearms. Your shoulders and neck should stay relaxed. Now, a quick moment for safety. If your shoulders start to tense up, check that your elbows are staying close to your body and that you're not lifting too high. If gripping the dumbbells feels uncomfortable, use lighter weights or try the movement without weights. If you notice yourself leaning backward, lightly engage your core and keep your weight centered over both feet. Always choose the version that feels stable and pain-free. A few common things to watch out for. Avoid swinging the weights or rushing the movement. Try not to shrug your shoulders as you lift. Keep your wrists neutral. Don't bend them forward or backward. If you need an easier option, you can lift the weights only partway up. If you'd like more of a challenge, pause halfway up for a second or two, or slow the lowering phase even more. When you're ready, lower your arms back down and let your shoulders relax. Take a calm breath in and out. Stay standing. We'll move into the next exercise shortly. You're doing really well. This is a great movement for building arm strength that carries over into daily life. Start your alternating hammer curl now and keep going for 40 seconds. Thank you for moving with me today. Subscribe to Guided Fitness for all abilities. Remember, every movement counts, and honoring your body is always enough. This channel is dedicated to creating accessible, low-impact workouts for midlife women who want to feel stronger, healthier, and more confident in their bodies. Every workout is designed to be easy to follow, with audio descriptions for women with low vision, clear visuals, and captions for those who are deaf or hard of hearing, and gentle, joint-friendly movements for real bodies and real life. Fitness should feel inclusive, safe, and empowering, never intimidating. If you're looking for workouts that meet you where you are, this is your space.